Have you ever wondered about the buried secrets of history? What if we told you a powerful empire, Teotihuacan, holds some of these mysteries? Tucked away in the basin of Mexico, the Teotihuacan Empire rose to prominence during the first millennium AD. Its name, as intriguing as its history, translates to the place where gods were created. The empire, a testament to human ingenuity and resilience, was a bustling metropolis, teeming with life, culture, and grandeur. But what's in a name? The moniker Teotihuacan is shrouded in enigma. It whispers tales of a civilization that believed in the divine, a society where every stone and structure echoed the belief that this was the cradle of the gods. The empire of Teotihuacan, a city lost to time, now lies beneath layers of earth, waiting to be discovered. As we peel back the layers of this ancient society, we delve into a world that once was, a world that still holds its secrets close. The Teotihuacan Empire, a place shrouded in mystery and full of untold stories, awaits our exploration. The rise of the Teotihuacan Empire is a tale of power, influence, and cultural richness. Imagine, if you will, a bustling city emerging around 100 BC in the heart of Mesoamerica. This city, Teotihuacan, was a marvel in its time. It grew and flourished, its influence spreading far and wide, its power undeniable. Its establishment marked the beginning of an era that would see the rise of an empire unlike any other in the ancient world. Teotihuacan was not just any city, it was a testament to architectural genius and cultural richness. The city boasted of grand structures that defied the imagination. Among these were the Pyramid of the Sun and the Pyramid of the Moon. These monumental structures were not just places of worship, but symbols of the city's power and influence. They towered over the cityscape, silent witnesses to the rise and fall of an empire. Beneath these grand structures, the city thrived. The population of Teotihuacan swelled, making it one of the largest cities in the world during its time. People from different walks of life called it home. Artisans, merchants, priests, and nobles all contributed to the vibrant tapestry that was Teotihuacan. The city was a hub of economic and cultural activity. Markets bustled with activity, temples echoed with prayers, and the city streets were alive with the ebb and flow of daily life. The Teotihuacan Empire was not just about grand structures and a bustling population, it was a melting pot of cultures. It was a place where different ideas, beliefs, and traditions came together, creating a unique and diverse cultural landscape. And so, the empire grew, its influence rippling outwards. It became a beacon, a shining example of what a civilization could achieve. It was a testament to human ingenuity, to the power of unity, and to the strength of a shared vision. The Teotihuacan Empire at its zenith was a beacon of architectural grandeur and cultural diversity. All great empires have their end, and Teotihuacan was no different. Like a sun setting on the horizon, the mighty empire of Teotihuacan began its descent into oblivion around the 7th or 8th century. The city, once bustling with life and activity, started showing signs of decline, a stark contrast to the golden era of its prime. The reasons for this downfall are shrouded in the mists of time, with many theories proposed by scholars. Internal strife, often a catalyst for the collapse of great civilizations, is one of these theories. The city appeared to have experienced a period of unrest, perhaps due to social, economic, or political tensions. Signs of fire damage at certain central structures suggest a possible rebellion or civil conflict. Another theory proposes that an external invasion led to Teotihuacan's demise. The invaders, possibly from the north, could have overwhelmed the city, causing its collapse. However, a lack of definitive archaeological evidence makes this theory a subject of ongoing debate. The downfall of Teotihuacan reverberated throughout Mesoamerica. As the city's influence waned, a power vacuum emerged. This void was soon filled by emerging cultures, such as the Toltecs and the Aztecs, who absorbed and continued many of Teotihuacan's artistic and architectural traditions. Despite its fall, the legacy of Teotihuacan persisted. The city's monumental pyramids, its complex urban planning, and its art continued to inspire subsequent Mesoamerican civilizations. Even in its decline, Teotihuacan remained a place of pilgrimage, its ruins revered as a sacred link to the past. The collapse of Teotihuacan was more than just the end of a city or an empire. It marked the end of a unique cultural and artistic expression that had dominated Mesoamerica for centuries. But as the sun set on this golden era, the seeds of its influence were already sown, ready to sprout in the cultures that followed. The fall of Teotihuacan marked the end of a golden era, yet its influence lingered on. Beneath the ruins of this great city lie secrets yet to be unveiled. The remnants of Teotihuacan are far from silent. They whisper tales of a forgotten era, waiting to be discovered. Archaeologists are tirelessly working to decode these whispers, unearthing the city's buried secrets. One of the most astonishing recent discoveries is an underground tunnel beneath the Pyramid of the Feathered Serpent. This labyrinth, found in the heart of the city, is a treasure trove of artifacts, offering us a glimpse into the lives of the empire's inhabitants. These findings are not only about historical artifacts and structures, they are a window to the empire's history and culture. The murals, pottery, and sculptures reveal the artistic prowess of the Teotihuacan people. The intricate city planning and architectural marvels stand as a testament to their advanced understanding of urban design and engineering. The secrets of Teotihuacan are still being unearthed, each discovery adding another piece to the puzzle, painting a more comprehensive picture of this enigmatic civilization. The buried secrets of Teotihuacan continue to captivate us, promising to shed more light on this fascinating civilization. In the pages of history, Teotihuacan stands as a testament to human ingenuity and cultural richness. This ancient empire, with its monumental rise and dramatic fall, has left an indelible mark on the tapestry of time. As we delved into the buried secrets of this forgotten empire, we not only discovered the physical remnants of its grandeur, but also unearthed the intricate societal structures and cultural practices that defined its existence. The tales of Teotihuacan, etched in stone and shrouded in mystery, serve as fascinating narratives that enrich our understanding of the past. They remind us of the heights human civilizations can reach, the inevitable adversities they face, and the enduring legacies they leave behind. The narrative of Teotihuacan is not just a tale of a civilization lost in time, but a reflection of our own journey as a species. As we continue to unearth the